Did you know that when you're setting an alarm on your iPhone using Siri, you don't have to say set an alarm for blah blah. Instead, you just say 9 a.m. and it sets the alarm. I just saved you like 2 seconds out of your day every day for the rest of your life. You're welcome. Here's an advanced smart home automation that's pretty easy to set up, and it's honestly one of my favorites. And we're actually gonna head to the bathroom for this one. Probably pretty echoey in here. I apologize in advance. First thing you'll need for this automation is a smart switch. With a smart switch, you replace the physical switch itself so it can be controlled manually, or of course, through your smart home. I always recommend these ones from Miros, but any brand should work for this. Now, for this automation, we're not actually gonna put it on the lights. Instead, we're gonna put the smart switch on our bathroom fan. Automation aside, having smart control over your bathroom fan is actually really useful, being able to turn it off when you forget to, when you're sitting on the couch or whatever. But what we're gonna do for this automation is pick up one of these bad boys, a temperature and humidity sensor. I use these ones from Aqara, but again, any one will work. Once you have the sensor all hooked up in your smart home, you're gonna see real-time data. You can see the temperature in the bathroom is 23 and the humidity is 74. Now it's automation time. Again, you can do this in any smart home platform. We're gonna go add an automation, and we're gonna do when a sensor detects something. You might see where this is going. We're gonna scroll down to our bathroom and go to the humidity section of our sensor. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say when the humidity rises above 90% or 85%, you can play with this depending on where you live. We're gonna hit next. When that happens, what we wanna do is scroll down to our bathroom fan and turn that on. You're then gonna make a second identical automation for when it drops below that same number. So when it drops below 85%, we're then gonna go down to our bathroom fan and we're instead gonna turn it off when that happens. Then you just take your sensor, hide it somewhere in the bathroom, and that's literally it. Now whenever you shower and then the humidity in your bathroom raises, it's gonna turn on the bathroom fan through the smart switch, making sure your bathroom is properly ventilated, and then automatically turn it off once all the moisture is gone. An automation that admittedly sounds super simple on the surface, but it's one of those things that you deal with every single day. And if you can automate it and save yourself 15 seconds a day while also not even having to worry about it and occupy that space in your brain, I think it's super worth it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, suggestions, concerns. Smart home videos are back. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. My 3D printer these days is pretty much only used for practical stuff, like printing little cases for my electronics projects, or like to make this little docking station for my phone. Even still, every once in a while, I come across a fun little whimsical design that I can't resist printing. I found one, so let's make it. All right, I'm gonna need red, white, and silver for this one, and black, which we've already got loaded up. Now we're gonna send it off to the printer, and now we wait. 3 hours later, and we are done. This stuff here is support material. I'll need to remove it before I put this thing together. Now we just gotta put it all together. If you have any guesses on what it's gonna be, drop it in the comments. Come on. The finishing touches. They spin. Come on. Isn't that sweet? With the multicolor filament and everything? Like, how can you not love that?